my name is Claire McHugh. I'm IT coordinator here in Presentation College. I've been working here since 1991. I suppose we've been promoting technology from the very beginning and growing the network particularly over the last 10 years with the assistance of government funding. And the students here have access to the wireless network. The students have the option of using iPads. All of the teachers have their own school devices and are using the Microsoft Surface Pro devices. And so that's working out really well for us. And then I also have responsibility for setting up the 365 accounts, and we work again with Microsoft and with SchoolWise with all of that and merging those platforms together. Students log in to SchoolWise now and they have access to their timetables. They have access within their timetables then to each school group, and within each school group they have access to their classes and to their teachers' work. Teachers too have access to the same platform. Microsoft Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint and their OneDrive, their students save, I suppose their storage is all accessible through SchoolWise. So it's a huge resource for us now, and students and teachers are embracing that and seeing the ease of access to all of their resources is massive for us now. Even today I can sit down this morning before I start class, and I can send messages to my class group before the class starts. During class, if there's a resource I'd like to share with the students or the students would like to share with me, they can post that resource on their SchoolWise accounts. The fact that students now have access to their own devices and have access to SchoolWise on their phones via their emails, they now have, I suppose, an unlimited resource for themselves. The sharing of resources through the resources section in the subject departments also means that we can plan our classes carefully. We can plan our lessons, we can plan our year, and a lot of the resources then we can share, and we can share the workload, which also is very important for us as teachers as well because of the continuing demands for change. Okay, Presentation College is a co-ed school with a Christian ethos, a Catholic school, and we have over 800 students here at the moment. All of our students here are catered for in terms of their technology needs, but it's important for us to realise that individual students have individual learning requirements. So the use of SchoolWise with the Microsoft packages, the use of the immersive reader is also of huge benefit, particularly in terms of literacy, and the definitions that appear in the immersive reader is really a huge resource for all of us. Even in science, where words may be new to students, it's not just a reading. The programs themselves within the Microsoft Office package now allow for different languages, so students can change from English to Polish. So again, now I can walk into my classroom with my Surface device and log into my account, take my roll call, access my resources, access my individual students' work. I can prepare and mark their work, and I can monitor the students' progress. And I can see also through the assessment platform within SchoolWise, I can now look at the student achievements and attainment in the different sections of the coursework. It's really important that teachers are aware that SchoolWise really integrates everything in one place. That it's not just, it's your roll book, it's your class planner, it's your learning resource platform, and it's your communication platform, so that we can use a combination of VSware, Office 365 and SchoolWise together securely and safely on the network here. It's very important from our IT plan as well that everything that we're doing is on a platform that is secure, that's monitored, that's licensed, that has basically is going to meet the requirements. I know SchoolWise work with the state bodies and with the government in terms of what their targets are. So we trust that SchoolWise are delivering us a package that is using that is matching the key skills and the requirements of the junior cycle programme and onwards to the senior cycle also. SchoolWise is helping us to advance the grades and helping us to improve the grades of all of the students here in the school. When schools approach us to ask us about our use of SchoolWise, I would always say that it's working really well in terms of what we're doing around academic attainment. SchoolWise matches all of that in that it's giving us a platform now to put in all of our students' results, to let the students see how they're getting on themselves. They can access their VSware and their school reports. They can see how well this is working. It's a very simple platform. It doesn't involve any installation. It's simply a website that is added to your own school website. So it's basically another platform that's built into your own school platform. It's really commendable, like from my work with Leslie over the last probably 15 years, that the progress of the platform has matched the progress in the education as well in terms of technology.